Your videos are getting views, but why aren't they getting shared? Right now, your audience want to clip your best moments of your video and spread them everywhere on the social platform. But YouTube is stopping them, and that is killing your reach. So that is why in this video, there is one hidden setting in your YouTube studio you must turn on, or your content will get getting buried. And no, it is not the algorithm fault. When you allow viewers to clip your videos, YouTube pushes your content harder, right? And that is when you get more shares, more eyes, and more subscribers. But if you ignore this, your videos stay stuck at low views, no matter how good they are. So if this is the kind of video you want to see, please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me show you this particular setting on your YouTube studio that you need to go and turn right now. I tested this on one of my dead channels. So watch what happened when I flip this one switch. I will show you exactly where to find it in your YouTube studio, how to turn it on, and why YouTube system loves creator who do this. So why does this clipping your videos works? Like why does it work? You know, when people clip your videos and share it to other platforms, you know what it means. You start getting views, you start getting subscribers, you start getting engagement. But once this particular setting is turned off on your channel, because I know that most of you, this particular setting is turned off right now as you are watching this video. If you go to your own setting, you see that this particular setting is turned off on your channel. Okay, so when you turn it on, you are now giving what other audience, other people chances of what clipping your video and share it to other words platform. And that is when you get more recommendation, more engagement, more views, subscriber, and everything you need as a what as a content creator. So that is why I have to bring this video. If you are watching to this very point of this video, please subscribe to the channel and let me show you where you can find this setting. So let's dive into our screen record. So the best part is when people are clipping on your YouTube videos, like when they are clipping on your videos, you know, that is when you have the chances of your videos to start going viral. Your video might even show up in the Google search bar and people will start seeing your video in this Google search bar. So how are you going to turn on this particular setting? But don't worry, I am going to show you this particular place you are going to find this setting. I know it might be difficult for you to navigate, but don't worry, I'm going to show you. Just come over to your YouTube studio, I mean the Chrome version. Yes, once your dashboard has opened, like mine you are seeing on the screen now, this is the interface of my YouTube studio. So now let's go to the setting. Once you go to the setting and it opens like this, now you click on the channel. Now once you click on the channel, you have basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. Now where are we going to click for this particular setting? You click on the advanced setting. Now once you click on the advanced setting, you will see something like this. You see audience, you see do you want to set your channel as made for kids. Of course, you know that your content is not actually made for kids. Then the next one is Google Ads. Then now we are looking about how to allow your viewers to clip your content. Now this is the particular site we are talking about. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? So as you are watching me through doing this process, locating this particular set of these settings, please make sure that you are doing it right now on your on your phone. Maybe you save this video or something like that, just to flow with the tutorial. Okay, so once you now when you look at my own setting, you see that my own is turned on, my own is ticked good, like the color is highlighted. You can see the symbol mark. showing that this particular setting is turned on. Now if you deselect this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content, and existing clips of your content will be disabled. Yeah, selecting this option again will re-enable existing clips of your content. Now when you deselect, like when you turn off this particular setting on, you are not giving your viewers the room to do what? To clip on your content and share it to what? To other social media platforms. You want to get the views, you want to get the subscribers, you want to get the watch hour. Now allow your viewer to do some part of the job for you by allowing them, giving them that chance to what? To clip your video content. You know, when you clip your video content and share it to other social media platforms, and when you go to, and now when people start watching your video, you start getting that views. Now once you go to your YouTube studio, check under what? The traffic, the YouTube traffic, like where your views are coming from. You will see external source. Sometimes when I post my video, I will start getting external source from Gmail, from other platform. That means my audience are clipping my content. So this is what most creators are hiding from you. But today I decided to spill it out. I decided to bring it on what? On the table, so that everybody will grow on this YouTube. So go and make sure that you click and turn on this particular setting. That is if you want to get extra views from what? Different sources, and your audience will also help you to get that subscriber, that watch hour, and everything you do. So make sure that your own is always turned on. Do not for any reason turn it off, because the reasons you are going to get, the benefits you are going to get at the end of this turning this particular setting on will amaze you. Like it will shock you to the point that you keep coming back to my channel. So go and make sure you play around with this particular setting. Make sure your own is turned on, so that you get that instant views and subscriber, that watch hour. You know, when people clip and share your content to other platform, you get extra traffic from different sources. So you want that to happen to your channel, then go and turn this particular setting on. So once your own is turned off like this, and you later turn it on after watching this video, make sure that you click on that. Once you turn it on, you click on the save here. Yes, and the setting will be saved. Okay, so thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.